Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to display apps running from the background and how you can disable them. Background apps drain your battery, which is not good. This is how you can do it. Go through your phone to find the Settings app and press on it. Locate where it's written System and press on it. Now press on Developer Options. If you don't know how to become a developer, you can check it out in my videos. Now locate where it's written Background Check, which is in the category of apps. You can see on your screen apps running in the background. Disable them. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.